Shia Islam has a rich and diverse history, with many sects emerging over time. While some of these sects have disappeared, others continue to exist today. This video provides a simple explanation of the main Shia sects and their beliefs. 1. 12 Shia, Ithna Ashri. Beliefs: they believe in 12 Imams, with the 12th Imam, Muhammad al-Mahdi, currently in hiding, Ghaiba. Current leader: no visible leader. Spiritual guidance is provided by senior clerics like Ayatollahs. Followers: this is the largest Shia group found in Iran, Iraq, Lebanon, Bahrain, Pakistan, and India. 2. Ismaili Shia. Beliefs: they follow the 7th Imam, Ismail, and believe that Imams are always present. They do not believe in the concept of a hidden Imam. Current leader: Shah Rahim al-Hussaini Aga Khanvi, 50th Imam. Followers: mostly in South Asia, East Africa, and Central Asia. 3. Zaidi Shia. Beliefs: they follow Zayd ibn Ali instead of the 5th Imam, Muhammad al-Baqir. Their beliefs are closer to Sunni Islam, and they focus on revolution rather than hiding their beliefs, Taqiyya. Current leader: no single leader. The Houthi movement in Yemen represents their political and religious aspirations. Followers: mostly in Yemen, and the Houthi movement is associated with them. 4. Mustali Bohara Shia. Beliefs: they believe the Imam is in hiding, and his guidance continues through a representative called the Da'i al-Mutlaq. Current leader: Sayyidina Mufaddal Saruddin, 53rd Da'i al-Mutlaq. Followers: found in India, Pakistan, Yemen, and the Middle East. 5. Alawite Shia. Beliefs: they have extreme beliefs considering Ali as divine. Current leader: no single religious leader. Bashar al-Assad's government in Syria is closely linked to them. Followers: mostly in Syria, and Bashar al-Assad's government is linked to them. 6. Druze. Beliefs: they believe in reincarnation and consider Imam al-Hakim Ba'amr Allah divine. Current leader: no single leader. Spiritual guidance is provided by community elders. Followers: found in Lebanon, Syria, Israel, and Jordan. 7. Qizilbash Shia. Beliefs: they emerged during the Safavid era as a Sufi-influenced Shia movement and gave Ali as a high spiritual status. Current leader: no central leader. Local spiritual leaders guide the community. Followers: found in Turkey, Iran, Afghanistan, and Pakistan. 8. Batini Shia. Beliefs: this was a Sufi and philosophical movement within Ismaili thought, focusing on hidden meanings of religion. Status: this group no longer exists. 9. Nusayri Shia. Beliefs: they believe in the divinity of Ali as and reincarnation. Current leader: no single leader. Spiritual guidance is provided by local religious figures. Followers: found in Syria, Turkey, and Lebanon. 10. Waqifi Shia. Beliefs: they believed Imam Musa al-Kazim was the Mahdi and went into hiding. Status: this group no longer exists. 11. Khattabi Shia. Beliefs: they were based on the teachings of Abu al-Khattab, a student of Imam Jafar al-Sadiq, and had extreme beliefs considering the Imam divine. Status: this group no longer exists. Summary: many Shia sects emerged throughout history, but today only a few major ones remain. 12 Shia, Ismaili Shia, Zaidi Shia, Mustali Bohara, Alawite Shia, Druze. Other sects like Qizilbash, Batini, Nusayri, Waqifi, and Khattabi either no longer exist or have very few followers. The division of Shia sects is based on historical, ideological, and religious differences. Each sect has its own unique beliefs and practices.